Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So Tuesday, Holy Week shortened trading day today, no? So walang nangyari sa market. 3.7 billion value turnover, but our market dropped 57.95 points to close at 6,472.04, no? So anyway, risk off, no? So expect inflation numbers to be released tomorrow, which yun nga, no, we're expecting around 8% from the previous month's 8.6. No? So at least nagpipick na yung inflation natin, hopefully. No? Uh, SM Prime, Monde, Pure Gold, Globe, and Converge ended higher. No, Monde, technical bounce. It's the third day of the drop. Medyo manipis, magaan yung up niya, no? Uh, hindi rin tayo nakasalo, no? Uh, I plan to buy Monde. Pero binabarat-barat natin kasi binibilang natin niya kung ilang araw na drop yun, and of course there will be some technical rebound para makabenta tayo, but yun yung mga gusto nating volatility, no? Of course, you just need to be quick on this kind of trades. Bakit? Ang after nito, no? After that issue uh, with their alternative meat business, next na yan, downgrade from this institutional investors. No? Mabigat yan, tas equity restructuring pa. No? So just be quick when you want to trade this Monday. No? Happy Monday daw. Holy Monday. Parang Monday. No? PLDT, Wilcon, BPI, BDO, and AC close lower today. Upson, of course, second trading day. Nahulog na right now. Magaan to eh. No? So mabilis yung akit and mabilis rin yung bagsak. Just be quick also. Market is always forward looking. And yun nga, medyo tagilid yung expansion plans. Of course, they plan to put up more stores in the next few years. But uh, remember that people are also buying their gadgets or PC uh, equipment online. Just today, no? April 4, 4, no? There's a promo ni Metrobank, no? Spend 15,000, you get 50% discount, or a 7,500 gift voucher or discount card, no? Biruin mo, you, that's valid for online purchase by Lazada. So, bili ka ng AirPods na 15,000 less 7,500, or, di ba? Mas mura to buy online than spending or buying our gadgets on site. No? Before, siguro, no, mas prefer ng mga tao to check their equipments, their PCs, their laptops. No? They prefer going to stores. But right now, nakapag-adapt na tayo because of that digitalization. Anyway, Century Tuna also reported their net income reached 5 billion last year, which is 6% higher year on year, driven by resilient domestic demand for value for money goods. If you don't know, no, they also have their own alternative meat brand, no. Si ano yan, Unmeat, no. Sa Shakey's kaya may Unmeat na pizza. What else? So Del Monte surged today, no, after announcing their intention to list its ordinary shares in the US. Of course, ang daming plano dito, and yun nga, hanggang ngayon plano pa rin. They also plan to do an IPO in the Philippines. Of course, any plan of doing an IPO in the Philippines, natutuwa yung investors because finally makakapagbayad na ng utang yung mother company, no? Diba? So ito naman, another IPO sa US. It surged 11.71%. Uh, diba? ABS-CBN, no, is also streaming yung I1 TV nila, no, wants to stream their animated kids books. So, it's a blessing actually na nawalan sila ng franchise. They're now concentrating on content creation, and with uh and with Willie Refillame moving from all TV, no, it looks like na magsi-switch yan, di ba? Lilipat na naman ang network. Never burn your bridges, di ba? GMA7, two weeks to go, no, bago mag ano ba, uh, X date. APL surge today, no? My GTC sell were hit. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo, it's a documented trade, no? Pang Holy Week lang natin yun. Maliit lang naman ng positions natin there. Bakit ko binenta? Magsa-start, hindi ba ako naniniwala magsa-start ang operations, diba? The problem there, it's an event-driven stock. Maraming factors na need consider na hindi natin hawak. No? This is a very speculative play. Kung walang operation, tagilid tayo. Kung may operation, then it's surge, di ba? It's been 2 years since they announced na nandun na yung barko. No? But anyway, it's a quickie trade lang. No? So, pang Holy Week lang natin. Anyway, uh, SecB, no? By the way, no? SSS, our Provident Fund, no? Also taps Security Bank's trust to manage its assets about amounting to around 2.5 billion for 3 years, no? So, ang daming asset managers, sila na bahala. They also tap, I think, Phil Equity before, no? And other, BPI rin yata, alam ko, SSS. Anyway, MPI, no? Maynilad will be, sabi naman nila, may tubig this Holy Week, no? So, lalo na may surge, no? Kulang yung, yung tubig natin. The problem here, uh, recently, I think Bongbong Marcos announced a water management office. What else? FDC, no, the company behind Philinvest, no, the holding company, no, Philinvest Development Corp, no, also, yun nga, they announced that net income is down 6.8% to 5.65 billion. FYI na lang. Apex continues to search. Oh. I remember before, sidekick lang si Apex pag umaakyat si PXP, no? Because they have a stake in West Philippine Sea. But right now, mas na-appreciate na tao when Enrique Razon bought a stake in Apex, no? And increased his stake there 2 years ago, no? Mas na-appreciate na, no? They're producing eh. Unlike PXP na very dependent on West Philippine Sea, no? But yun nga, they managed to increase their net income by five folds, no? Last year to 3.34 billion driven by higher gold sales and prices. So yun nga, what else? Meralco, no? TNAC, no? So the management agreed to voluntarily deload the power from the grid during peak demand under the interruptible load program of Meralco. So there's what we call power shortage rin, no? So with Malampaya running out of gas, there's a crisis coming rin. So what else? So it's a short-term trading day. Most of the people are already vacationing. No? So anyway, happy Tuesday, no? So yan yung ano natin. Passcode, diba? Comment naman kayo. Someone asked about Annie, no? I don't know. But everyday tayo nag-uusap about Tony Q, no? If you don't know, I don't know what's his business. Baka there's no business after all. Of course, there's an equity restructuring also with Annie. And bakit daw hindi nahulog? Because no one believes what Q is doing, di ba? These are the notable projects in his pipeline na I don't know what happened. First one is the Makati Subway under infra. Ano na nangyari doon? What happened there? Second one, uh, his bamboo forest with uh, Ever. Ano na nangyari doon? Third one, his MOU with ABS-CBN in terms of UPay, of his fintech. Ano na nangyari doon? With regards to his tokenization, ano na nangyari doon? Diba? And so on. Marami ng ano na nangyari. Panay MOU, wala na nangyari. No? So it depends. And also, no? So a private equity fund also entered Ani before. Umalis rin before. So what happened there? You can also search the internet for that. So what's going on? No one believes in this guy anymore. So that's the problem there. So if you think you're a solid Tony Q fan, no? You're a Superman, no? Keep buying Ani, no? And hope na it goes to 10 pesos, 'di ba? You think 7 pesos and 50 centavos is cheap and it will go to 10, 11 pesos. You borrow money from the bank, 'di ba? The interest rate sa bank ngayon it's 8% and there's an upside there if a solid Superman fan, 'di ba? Ako naman, I prefer solid track record. So I hope that's clear. In terms of macro Asia naman, there's no play here, no? So you unless of course uh the index is flat year to date, no? And macro Asia, in fact, is flat also. There's no play, no? It will just trade sideways. And I agree with you, no? It's one of those companies that will benefit in terms of reopening because yun nga, the main business of macro Asia is airport repairs or Lufthansa, diba? Tapos yung part nun is the catering business. Unfortunately, you can see naman na there's nothing going on with the company. No? 2017, sinakyan ko yan, paakyat. No? When shares were being distributed, lumabas na tayo doon. No? So, it was eventually added sa MSCI. So, the stock market is cyclical. No? Cycle lang yan. So, hindi pa time ni Macro Asia uli. So, it will take probably few years, few months. I don't know. No? So, again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.